In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in the Outlook address book. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you feel confident in managing your contacts in Microsoft Outlook. So, let's get started. Begin by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook page on your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the Sign In option, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. You'll then be directed to the Sign In page where you'll need to enter your login details. Make sure you type in your email and password correctly to avoid any hiccups in the process. After you've verified your credentials, click Next to proceed. Now that you're on the Outlook dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. When you're ready, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find an option labeled People. This is your gateway to managing your address book, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the People section, you'll notice a list containing the contacts you currently have saved. From here, you have a couple of options to update your contacts. You can either add a brand new contact, or if you have an existing list from another service, you can also you can choose to import them into your address book. Let's focus on adding a new contact. Look for the New Contact button, which is typically easy to spot, and click on it. You'll be presented with a form where you can enter detailed information about the contact you wish to add. Start by typing in the name of the contact, then move on to fill in their email address, which is crucial for any further communication. Next, if you have it, enter their mobile phone number. This can be especially useful if you intend to contact them via phone. Additionally, you can input the name of the company they're associated with, which can help keep your contacts organized if you're dealing with business associates. Finally, make use of the Notes section to jot down any specific details or reminders about this contact. This feature can be particularly handy for personal or professional insights that you'd like to remember for future interactions. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields, review the information to ensure everything is correct. After confirming, locate the Save button and click it to ensure your new or updated contact is stored securely within Outlook. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through editing and updating your contacts in Outlook. Remember, keeping your address book up to date is not just about staying organized, but it also enhances your communication efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!